Hey, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Virgo Vibe, where we align the stars, the universe, and you. If you're ready to take your manifestation game to the next level, today's episode is for you. We're diving into the fiery world of Aries Energy and how it connects to the law of action, aka the universe's version of just do it. Aries is the go-getter of the zodiac, ruled by Mars, the planet of action, energy, and drive. If Aries were a person, they'd be the one shouting, "Let's go!" while everyone else is still sipping coffee and checking their emails. Okay, so let's talk about the law of action. This universal law says that for your manifestations to materialize, you have to take inspired action. Dreams don't work unless you do. Here's the thing, you can journal, visualize, and light all the manifestation candles you want. But if you don't actually take steps toward your goal, the universe can't meet you halfway. It's like trying to win the lottery without buying a ticket. Aries Energy understands this at its core. Nope, it doesn't work like that. Aries Energy is bold, fearless, and a little impatient. But that's what makes it so magical. This sign doesn't overthink, they just act. And that's the secret sauce of the law of action. If you're hesitating to start something, a new business, a fitness routine, or even a big life decision, channel your inner Aries. Stop waiting for the perfect moment, because spoiler alert, it doesn't exist. Aries teaches us that the perfect time is now. I'll start when I have more time, more money, more clarity. You never started. Let's put this into action. Here's your Aries. Inspired Manifestation Challenge. Pick one goal you've been putting off. Write down the first small step you can take toward it. Do it within the next 24 hours. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Aries Energy isn't about perfection. It's about momentum. Once you start moving, the universe will start moving too. Let me tell you a quick story. A few years back, I wanted to start this channel, but I was stuck in analysis paralysis, planning, doubting, overthinking. Then one day I said, you know what, forget it. I'm ready to record something. It wasn't perfect, but it was a start. Now, look back at how far we have come from where we started out, building this beautiful Virgo vibe community, all because I took that first imperfect, fearless step. That's Aries Energy in action. All right, Cosmic Crew, it's your turn. Drop in the comments. What's one thing you're going to take action on today? Let's hype each other up, and don't forget to subscribe, because next time we're exploring Taurus energy and the law of patience. Yes, it's the chill, earthy vibe we all need after this fiery Aries episode. Until then, stay bold, stay brave, and keep those Virgo vibes high. Thanks for watching.